Just arrived at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2016 Nissan Frontier SV pickup. On the exterior, we have power door mirrors and remote keyless entry. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5 and cruise control and power windows and door locks. The 5-inch LCD display has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2016 Nissan Frontier has less than 112,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.